Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy ASAP9. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to get Apple Music for free. So you're not gonna be using no credit card or codes. You're not gonna be using anything like that, bro. You're gonna only need a Vodacom SIM card. You're gonna need a Vodacom SIM card. I'm not sure if it's gonna work on MTN. So you're gonna need a Vodacom SIM card and you're gonna need to access a browser. I prefer you guys to use Chrome because Chrome works best. You can use a laptop or a phone to do this.
If you don't live in South Africa, there's a link down in the description where you can get Apple Music for free. Enjoy the video.
So guys, what we're gonna do is guys, we're gonna go on Chrome and we're gonna search add Apple Music to Vodacom bill. Then we're gonna select the first results, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna select the first results, then we're gonna add to my bill. So we're gonna be getting the free trial of Apple Music. So we can do this all over again, you can do it all the time. So we need a Vodacom phone number. Let me go get my Vodacom phone number real quick. SMS real quick. Let's wait for the SMS. Boom, SMS came in. Let's write down the thing 123091. Then you're gonna verify the pin. Let's verify the pin. Trust me guys, this really works. You know what I'm saying? This really works. Trust me, it does. Only gonna work in South Africa. Then you're gonna say add Apple Music, activating the subscription. Activate the subscription. Boom. Your Apple Music account is set, you know what I'm saying? Then you skip that, we're not gonna read.
So guys, we're gonna be creating an Apple ID. If you have an iPhone, right, you can just connect your ID, your Apple ID, you can just sign in. You don't need to add all of these details, and you don't need to sign in if you have an Apple ID basically. So yeah guys, just add your details right over here. So guys, I'm gonna be giving away this Apple ID that I'm creating right now. I'm gonna give it away to like anyone. I'm just gonna choose randomly, so just type ASAP down in the comment section if you guys want it. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you don't live in South Africa, I got a link down in the description that's gonna give you a code that you're gonna use to have the free trial. Also, it's really kind of simple also guys. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. So yeah guys, peace.